What if I told you that for just 99 cents, you could unlock 3,800 ChatGPT prompts to boost your creativity and productivity? And on top of that, receive a free ebook on mastering AI. Whether you're a content writer, marketer, or someone looking to explore the endless possibilities of AI, this is the perfect opportunity to get started. Let's talk about what you're getting. 3,800 high-quality prompts designed to save you time, effort, and energy. These prompts cover a wide variety of topics and are ready for immediate use. Here are just a few examples of what's included. Over 500 prompts for fitness, over 500 prompts for childcare, 500 plus prompts for investments like crypto and stocks, 300 plus prompts for personal development, 500 plus prompts for social media marketing and email marketing, and so much more. Whatever your niche, these prompts will spark new ideas, help you create engaging content, and even allow you to provide services to others. You can customize them or use them exactly as they are for fast, effective results. But here's where it gets even better. You're not just buying these prompts for personal use. You also get full resale rights. That means you can sell these prompts to others, giving you an easy way to earn additional income. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or simply looking for a profitable side hustle, this bundle opens the door to countless opportunities. And that's not all. With your purchase, you'll also receive a free ebook titled Mastering AI for Remote Jobs. This comprehensive guide teaches you how to make the most of AI in today's digital world. The ebook includes opportunities to earn with AI, from business to creative industries, step-by-step guide to mastering ChatGPT, learn how to adopt effective AI strategies for marketing, content creation, and e-commerce, advanced prompts and rapid engineering tactics. Perfect your AI-driven projects with specific, detailed prompts that yield optimal results. You'll also discover insights into popular AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and more. This ebook will equip you with the knowledge to use AI effectively and maximize your results. The best part? Using the 3,800 ChatGPT prompts is incredibly simple. Just download the package and dive in. Whether you need prompts for social media, blog posts, or marketing campaigns, everything is ready to go. These prompts are compatible with all versions of ChatGPT and can be used as is or customized to suit your specific needs. Think of it this way. You'll have an entire content creation toolkit at your fingertips, making your ChatGPT experience faster and more productive than ever before. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. For just 99 cents, you get 3,800 ChatGPT prompts, full resale rights, and a free ebook that shows you how to dominate the world of AI. Start today. Harness the power of AI and discover new ways to make money and enhance your business. Click the link below to get started and take the first step toward unlocking your potential with AI. What if I told you that for just 99